Image Enigma. This is a Python application which performs steganography. Steganography is a technique of hiding secret data within an ordinary file. The secret data is then extracted at its destination. So how does it function? So as we know, an image has RGB components, red, green and blue components, and each pixel has a value between 0 to 255. So when we convert this range to binary, it comes into 8 bits. So what we do here is, so if we want to hide this image into this image, this is a secret message and this is the mask. We take the most significant 4 bits from the first part and we take the most significant 4 bits from the second part. So the mask goes to the MSB part and the hidden message or the secret message goes to the LSB part. While extracting, we know that the LSB 4 bits are the secret message, so we pair it up with 4 zeros. In this way we hide the image. This is what we have tried, but we were getting some bugs, so we tried it with 2 bits and 6 bits. 2 bits were the mask and 6 bits were the secret message, which gave the highest accuracy possible, but still the work is going on to get more accuracy. So let's see the code running. Here we select the secret message. Let this be the message. Let this be the mask. Click on encrypt. File has been saved as 113534. This is the file. As you can see, the 2 bits of the mask and 6 bits of the message. So message is somewhat visible, but while decrypting, this choice gave the highest accuracy, but still the work is going on and improving the accuracy without compromising the message and the mask. So let's try it. So this is our file 3534. Let's try and decrypt it. This was the highest accuracy we could achieve, but still the work is going on. So thank you.